Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. We're jumping into week 4, which is of course APA week. I uploaded another lecture video, and this is going to look a little bit different because I'm on instructor view here, but another lecture video which I think is super interesting for you. It talks about Google Scholar, and that's in the YouTube mashup right here. And then you also have a lecture that I also used in communication, so don't take heed of week 10 per se, but there's a lot of cool information in here as well. APA, it's how we're going to do our research for our upcoming paper and presentation. It's a gradual thing, so don't feel like after this week you have to be an expert at APA. I'm going to help you along the way. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. However, I want to be sure and let you know that there will be more videos about APA in the future. So it's confusing. I get it. If this is your first time seeing it, I totally understand. We're going to take it slow. Don't stress about it. And we're going to make sure that we're ready to go. There's no homework this week. It's just studying about APA. So do your best to really focus on what really matters this week, and don't stress about doing a discussion post, or we don't normally do those, or review questions. So really take your time, study APA. I think you'll get a lot out of it. Thanks so much.